Hi friends, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve your Skype. To know how to fix errors on Skype, you should just go to settings. Here we click apps, default apps, app settings. Then we click on Skype. You will find the first stop. You will find here OK and you will click on it. Then you will enter to the window of storage. Here we click clear cache. And in the end you can go to Play Store. If you find in this blue sign update, then you can click to update your app. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention and your watching. Goodbye.